welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while. Today I am going to be making some lasagna soup. It is my first time making this dish. I am super excited. I always wanted to try it. So for starter, I'm going to season the ground beef with some Italian sweet sausage, and this sausage is also spicy. I love when I'm making lasagna, and I love mixing the ground beef with sausage. It takes it to a whole nother level. And before we get into the recipe, these are all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using today. I am not making the tomato sauce from scratch. I have several videos on my channel where I show you guys how you can make your tomato sauce from scratch, but we are using some good ragu today. I'm also gonna have some bell peppers. And for the onion, I am using a red onions, but if you want to use yellow, it is up to you. And to season the meat, I am going to be using the organic meat seasoning from seasoning.com. I am using the mild heat flavor. I don't want it to be too spicy. I want to remain cozy. Whenever you are using this meat seasoning, please make sure you minimize your salt intake. As I said many times on my channel, I don't like to use a lot of salt. However, it is up to you. This seasoning is very versatile and you can always adjust the amount that you want to use. Then I'm going to start working on the toppings, and for the toppings I am going to chop some fresh parsley. I'm also going to mix some ricotta cheese with parmesan and some mozzarella, and I'm simply going to mix everything with 1 egg and adjust it with a little bit of seasoning salt. The topping, this is what we are going to use when the lasagna soup is ready, just to put it on top to have a nice filling. And if you are new here, you just found my channel, welcome. My name is Claude, owner and founder of Goût Seasoning. Goût Seasoning is an online website where I sell organic blend seasoning. And in this channel, I also show you guys how I run my business and share a lot of small business tips. If you are into this type of video and you like quick and easy recipe, please consider subscribing. And now that I have prepped all my ingredients and we are going to begin cooking. First I heat up some oil and now we are going to cook the ground beef. Me, since I fully season the ground beef, I do not drain it. I usually just let it cook through until all the water have dried out. I don't let it fully dry out, but I let some seasoning in there as well, but I do not like to drain. Then after that, I am going to add the onions and the bell peppers, and we are going to allow it to get tender. Then I'll be adding the parsley. After all the veggies are tender, then I'm going to add the tomato sauce and beef broth. You can always adjust the balance with a little bit of seasoning salt if you want. And if you do not have beef broth, you can use chicken stock or you can simply use water. It is up to you. And I am also going to add some fresh basil, allow it to fully boil before I start putting the lasagna noodles. And when you are adding the lasagna noodles, it is up to you. I decided to cut mine before I added them and the broth. And also guys, I will suggest to not add much because you do not want this to become a spaghetti. So it is a soup. So just make sure you minimize the amount you use. However, it is all about your preference. Now that the lasagna noodles are almost ready, the soup is almost ready, I am going to add some heavy cream. This part you do not have to. Whether you add heavy cream or not, the lasagna soup will come out great just as well. Then I am going to add some mozzarella cheese and allow it to simmer for an additional 15 minutes. Then we are going to get ready to serve. And this is the final recipe of the lasagna soup. I am simply adding the ricotta cheese mixture on top, then garnish with some fresh parsley. This recipe came out perfect. And guys, October 31st, I am having a sale on my website. Every year we have this sale before Thanksgiving where it is 30% off and free shipping. So check out my website and make sure you subscribe to our newsletter so you don't miss out. And this is the final recipe. This lasagna soup came out so great. I am definitely going to make this recipe again. I really hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you will make this recipe or if you have already made it, please comment below. Let me know what you will do differently, what you will add, what you will not add, what other ways that you believe that I should do it. Any suggestion or ideas, put it in the comment section below. Guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this recipe. I hope to see you in the new one. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Cooking made easy.